All right, the third thing you guys need in your project is a polygon. A few different ways of doing this. I'm going to show you guys the easiest way, and this is actually something you'll have a lot of fun with. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit this plus button, okay? And that plus button is going to open up this menu. You're going to select table. Okay, one more time. It's the plus button and then select table. So now when you're in here, you're going to pick points. For now, just to get it set up for yourself, just pick the points that I'm picking right now. Let's just do 0, 0. Then let's do 4, 0. And then let's do 4, 4. And then let's do 0, 4. So I just made a little square there. Now, what the polygon command does is really cool. It allows you to like shade that in and make that shape. So we're going to type in the word polygon. Make sure you spell it right. So you got polygon. You're going to type in x1. Now, when you type in the 1, it automatically makes it a subscript there. So you got x1. Now, comma. Make sure you use a comma, not a period. You got x1, comma, y1. And just like that, you got yourself a polygon. Now, you can change any of these points. You can add an extra point, whatever you want to make the shape that you want. Now, here's the fun thing about polygons. You can go in here and you can do some transformations to these that are a lot of fun. Let me get this guy copied. Can't copy it. All right, let's type in the word polygon again. This time, I'll do the x1, y1, but I'll show you a little trick. x1, comma, y1. Now, this time, if I make that x a negative, it reflects it that way. So it's a way of making a copy of the polygon without having to rewrite all those points. If I make a negative in front of this y, if I can get that, there you go, then it reflects it that way, which kind of looks cool, right? You can kind of see where you could go with that. You could even do like a 2 in there or stretch it. You could even do, let's do 0.2. And it kind of is a slightly different shape, slightly different version of it. The other thing that's really fun with this is you can transform these and move them around. So if I do, if I want to move this left and right, I could do plus. I'm going to choose a letter here, H. Add a slider for H, and now you can see this go left and right. So now you have your shape that's animated, it's moving around. And you see these dots that are kind of remaining there? They look kind of bad. If you want to get rid of the dots, then just tap on this. So that toggles the dots. It says go back to the table, and if you turn this thing on and off, you can make the dots appear. So you probably want to turn those dots off, especially if you have it animated. Okay, that's everything you need to know about polygons.